I want to share with you a great report that's within Google Ads. And so if you've been running Google Ads for over 30 days, I want you to go check this out right now. It is your search terms report. So what this is, and we're going to go to our campaigns. Under Insights and Reports, we're going to go to Search Terms. Search terms is going to tell you what those phrase matches, what else did people search for? And so this will expand your list of, yes, this was a relevant keyword, they added this, let me add that specifically as a new keyword, or no, this was way off, totally unrelated, I'm going to add this as a negative keyword. So if you are managing your own Google Ads account, you want to check this out at least once a month and make adjustments to the types of keywords you're targeting, or the ones you want to eliminate and not be seen for at all. So what you're going to find in this report, and you can go back to as far as you've had your campaign active to see what types of keywords you are actually being seen for or clicked on for. And you'll see here we have a bunch, and we're sorting by number of impressions. The reason we're sorting by that is because we want to see how many times they're being seen. Maybe if they're not getting clicked, we need to add them as a keyword. So we're going to go through the list and just see what Google is suggesting, if we like it, if we don't, if we want to just leave it. So the first is plumbing repair, and we can add that, and it's suggesting as an exact match. So we can certainly do that just by clicking the checkbox and add as a keyword. And within here, it will automatically be set as broad match. So be sure to go through and add that before you press save. We're going to do the brackets around this keyword and then press save. That's all we need to do. It will automatically be added to our list, and you'll see now it has the check mark and it's been added. I'm going to unselect it and continue down the list. And what we have for some good ideas is a branded tankless water heater. So some people are searching for a specific brand of water heater, and that may be that they already have it, or they need a repair, or they want to buy that. Any of that can be good if you want to target specific brands. You can also take ideas from keywords. So if you're like, do I have tankless water heater? Maybe not include the brand, but we can highlight this, go back to our keyword list and add it manually. And that is a great way to expand your list, maybe not use the suggested one, but continue to add. And that's always important to keep adding new keywords to continue to test the network of where your ads are showing and how they're performing. The next good one would be dishwasher not draining. Now, of course, you need to determine, are these keywords related to services you're willing to provide? We do not want to target keywords that you obviously can't service. So making sure that if this is something, you're like, I wouldn't know how to do that, or I don't like working on dishwashers, we can click on the check mark and add as a negative keyword. This will automatically put it into exact brackets. All negative keywords are usually set in exact because we don't want that exact search to trigger our ads. And so you have the option of adding it to the ad group, adding it to the campaign, or adding it to a negative keyword list. I always suggest creating a negative keyword list because this will be account level. So that means any of the ads or any of the campaigns you have in your account will use this negative keyword list. So as you build it, you will then realize, oh, okay, good, I'm blocking this keyword amongst my whole account, so I don't have to remember to go back and target or avoid targeting that keyword. This is really important because negative keywords is the best money saver you can have in Google Ads. You can pay attention to all of your keywords and making sure that you're really on top of it, but if you don't have negative keywords, you may be still being seen for keywords searches that are totally irrelevant. One idea for a negative keyword would be your business name. If someone already knows your business name, we don't need to spend money on getting that click. Either your Google business will get it, your organic ranking, really your website should be found for your business name anyways. So making sure that a negative keyword idea is your business will help you eliminate paying for a click that you were already going to get. You can also add, and check the description below for the list of common keywords that any business should add to their negative keyword list, like free or cheap or even career or salary. If you're avoiding hiring and you're not advertising for it, then add them to your negative keyword list immediately so that you stop wasting money. So I've explained a lot about keywords, the different types of keywords to come up with, why you should use them, how you can target them using your website, pages, blog posts, and anything that you do on anything online for your business is important to incorporate your keywords. So if you don't know your keywords right now, you should start looking and thinking and asking your customers what they search or what they think of your business. Asking them to describe what you do to you is a great way to get new keyword ideas. And then, of course, write them down. Start using the keyword planner to see how many searches are actually being done in your area for those keywords. And if you are creating new blog posts, answer the questions you hear your customers ask. Making sure that you explain to Google that you are trusted and you actually know what you're talking about will help your website rank higher organically. And of course, these keyword match types in Google Ads are very important to actually target the right people when they're looking for you. Eliminate using broad match because it's a waste of money. And of course, that's what Google wants you to do. Making sure that you have negative keywords and you're checking your search term report at least once a month, so that you can add new keywords, new negative keywords, and just keep everything in line. Keywords are the foundation of everything you do for your business, in your website, in your SEO, and understanding where your audience is actually looking for you. This is going to be something that you wish you did from the beginning. So if you don't know and you want to have a conversation with me, feel free to book a free call, and I'm happy to start brainstorming and do some of the research with you on what keywords you should target. And if you're using Google Ads already and you aren't sure if it's working, I offer a Google audit. Check it out. The details are in the description.